I'm coming on with a haul. This is probably my 4th or 5th video of the day. I mean, if you want to go over and buy them yourselves, I like watching haul videos, so I thought maybe you'd like the same. So that's why I'm doing it. So anyway, I got this one in today actually. So we'll start with this one. Amazon, right? So I can't find a decent pencil rubber. I bought a putty one, a kneadable one, a Faber-Castell. Hate it, absolutely hate it. It's all sticky, it never rubs in the right place. It goes, you try and rub here and it's rubbing over there, and the only good thing about it is you can make shapes out of it and leave it on the side while you're drawing. So I bought these, cheap ones. I haven't even opened them yet. They've only just come. But yeah, they're big rubbers in there. They're not replaceable, unfortunately. They are a razor pen. Blaine, is that? I think Blaine it's called. BL601. Made in China, of course. But that should do the trick. And I like this bit on the side here so your finger doesn't slip. Yeah. I think these were about a £5. I'm sure you can get them cheaper elsewhere. I just was so fed up looking for rubbers. I've got a new one as well that I showed in the Jackson haul. This is the inks I've ordered. I watched a beautiful video showing pen dip inks the other day. I don't know who it's by. She had the old advent calendar Christmas limited edition to just the calendar. I went off to try and find it. $79.99. I thought, I'm not spending that much money. So I looked into their inks of this company, which is Dynamine Inks, and I found this set on Amazon. It was £18, I believe, and you get Oxford Blue, Aura Borealis, I can't say that, Ox Blood, Amber, Meadow, and Imperial Purple. They've got 3 or 4 sets with 6 of the inks in each, but I really did prefer to get these ones because they're more intense with the colours. And I see them swatched out and I thought, oh my god, I've got to get them. Right, and then I wanted this. This must be old stock, but this is Amsterdam. This is a holiday set, acrylic ink holiday set, and they come like that. You know, like these, which is covered in splatters now. This is new, by the way. This is white, and they're the Ecline liquid watercolor. This is acrylic, and this has got in it black, white, red, light, permanent green light, silver, and deep gold. Let me just shake that a minute. Just want to see the gold colour. Oh, now I've bubbled it all up. That gold is going to be gorgeous. I can see it already. I've got a madman around here that keeps calling his cat night and day, so you're going to hear prints all the time. Right, so, yeah, you can do it by brush, dip pen, technical pen, or airbrush them. And I thought, oh, I need them in my life. Especially just for the gold and silver alone. Now, they do these individually, and they are nearly £10 or £10.90. One of the two. They're nearly £10, like £9 of it, or £10.90. It's one of them two. But this whole set here, which has got the 6 in it, here's the colours. It's got the 6 in. You see that gold now? And the silver. And the green. The white. Black. And the red. £15 odd. I thought, wow, that's a bargain. So I'll pick that up. What else have we got here? Oh, you don't want to see that. That's my Dettol, large box of Dettol wipes. So it's a new Stamperia Bauhaus collection. I love that. Look at all the colours in it. Right. And you get all those papers and that. Isn't that gorgeous? Right, and then I got the matching die cuts with it, which are them. There's all different ones in there. To me, there's tons of different designs in there, all different shapes. To me, it's like 1940s, but also going into modern with the colours. I love it. And then I got the ephemera pack of it as well. So there's loads in it, and there's like, see, like she's from like from the 50s, 60s. Different, all different. It's a lovely pack though. Maybe we've got time just to have a look at the paper, so I'll show you the paper. We've got a few more bits I want to show you. But I've got this as soon, I pre-ordered this. I only got the 8x8. It's the first edition, 2022. I wish they wouldn't put that on there because now I don't want to use it. Right, but look. And if you see the videos I've got out, the 1:30 video, it shows you a journal made out of it. And it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'll just flick through it. And I don't like a lot of white in my craft, so this is beautiful. Look. Art is not fairy but necessary. Furniture. It's beautiful, it is. Look at that page. And then you get all these little tiny tags. I just thought it was really nice. I don't like pastel-y types of papers and that. I like bright, beautiful stuff. And I do like vintage, and this, I thought this was really nice. Them colours there. And then you get a few more bits you can cut out if you want to. But I really do like that with all the ephemera bits, and I didn't bother getting stencils and the paints to match and all that lot. I would have liked the paints, but I wasn't paying anymore. But yeah, I've got those and the matching set. The tiny clips, I've had them before, loved them. The little tiny clips, the Timolts. This is that's Crafty hole now that I've got. I got the papers off of that Crafty, but it wasn't this thing with this stuff. I got some studio lights, fairy lights with 10 lights on. I want that for a project. I've got tons of lights around here somewhere. Do you think I'll find them? No. Right. I had to get this stencil. Now, if you watch my videos, you know I like the studio light grunge collection. Well, they had this stencil. And yeah, that had to end up in my basket because I've not seen anything like that before, and I like it. So we've got that. Now I've got to make some room here. I'm not sure where I'm going to put all this in. maybe stand that up. No, it won't stand up. I'll put it there. Right. And then I bought some now I've got one of these sets already, which is this script one. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what any of these are called. Does it even say? No. Oh yes, it does. Right on the bottom. So this one is called. It's the Dina Wakley Media Collage papers. You get 20 sheets of tissue paper printed in black, it says, and then it's the painted marks, and then you get all those designs of sheets in there. Okay, so you get 2 of each of these sheets. So I've got that one, which is the painted marks. I've got this one here, which is the church doodles, which looks like that. Okay. I didn't realise I had more of them, because when I bought mine, it was on, I got mine for a very good price because it was in the sale. But I didn't realise I had more of them, and I had a look and I see them and I thought I'll get some. They are $5.99 a pack. And then I got this one, which I really like. This must be one of my favourite ones. Things that grow. Aren't they beautiful? You can paint over these, you know, watercolor, or you can use your watercolor crayons or anything that's light and go over the top. So yeah, so we've got those, which are wonderful. And the last thing that I've got to show, apart from a sheet of cardboard, are these. Oh my God, how many years I've been trying to look for this set. I've got set number 1, and I love the colours in it, and they're beautiful and vibrant and really bright, and I've been looking for this set number, I'm not sure if this is set number 2 or 1, well, I've got the other one anyway, but I've been looking for this, and suddenly I see it on that Crafty website, and I thought, oh my God, get it. So I've ordered that. I will be swatching that out. I love them paints. So yeah, we've got all this going on, and I need to take a picture of it all for the thumbnail as well. So yeah, thank you for joining me. I think I've got enough now for the year. Well, I haven't. You know what us crafters are like. But let me know what you like. The inks I'll be using with the dip pen that I've got, and possibly even doing some like watercolouring with them as well, because I've seen that done and it looks absolutely beautiful. And if I like the inks, I may even treat myself on my birthday, which is coming up shortly, next month, end of next month, to another set of them or something, and get some more maybe. I will need cheering up then, because it's a difficult time for me. But thank you for joining me with the whole, I think this is the last video I'm making today now, because this is the 4th or 5th one I've made, so I better start getting these videos uploaded and edited and everything else. So thank you everyone that's new, that's coming into my channel. Appreciate that. Love to see new people. Love to see you whenever you drop by as well. Trying to keep up with comments. I'm still not seeing a lot of comments until maybe a week. It could take up to a month. It's ridiculous. And then I'm too ashamed to even say anything, you know, if it goes on too long, because I've not seen them. They just magically appear out of nowhere. or if I'm tagged in something. I think Kerry tagged me into one of her community posts about 3 months ago, and I only found it last week, and I thought, oh my god, I didn't even realise about that. So if I do not respond, it's not that I meant not to, it's just that I haven't found your post yet. It's just very difficult on YouTube. Um, just having a few issues with it at the moment. That's not the only issue I'm having. I'm having a couple of issues with YouTube at the moment. Last night I was watching a film on YouTube, and then suddenly the picture quality of the video went to like really like a faded effect. I tried every button and everything I could, it wouldn't do it. And after about an hour, after I'd resized the picture, it went back to normal. Get absolutely ridiculous, but yeah, that's the way it goes at the moment. But thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you all in another video. I will be swatching some of the sets and colours out. Anything in particular you'd like to see, let me know. But I will be back to making stuff shortly as well. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.